What's I want? This is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today we're going to take a question from YouTube, and this question comes from @ctrade2629. Hi, can I apply for a home loan to buy property as an overseas Malaysian? What's the max loan amount percentage? How complicated is the process and duration for approval? Okay, got so many questions here. I presume this person is actually overseas Malaysian, is working overseas, which is very common, Singapore and other countries. So first, I want to set a record straight. There's two types of overseas Malaysian. One is based in Singapore and the other parts of the world. Repeat, Singapore and other parts of the world. Those based in Singapore, you have preferential treatment. Because some is the close proximity between the two governments. And if you actually default here, it's easier to get you. Okay? Easier to get you, easier to contact you. And rather you go overseas very far. Next, the question asks, what's the max loan amount? The max loan amount follow a Malaysian guideline. Malaysian guideline means what? You are subject to B&M guideline because you are holding an IC. Okay? You are a citizen. What's the guideline? First two housing loan, 90% no. Okay? The third housing loan, 70% no, is all applicable to you. And this is on top of whatever bank restriction there is. Some banks, they see you are in certain countries or you are somewhere further away. The method of calculation may be different and their guidelines may be different. For example, they say, okay, overseas, you might need to rope in a joint applicant that is staying here, whether they have income or not. Maybe your parents is staying here. That's why you want to buy, right? So you rope in your parents as a joint applicant. No income, never mind. Okay? They may do that. Or they may say, okay, since you are from this country, or and different countries, because they have categories in countries, right? So this country, this category, we can only offer you 80%, or they may actually increase the rates for you. Again, this depends on individual banks, but in general, is always follow what bank the government has prescribed. 90% for the first two housing loans, so don't have to worry. Okay. How complicated is the process? No, not complicated at all. Still the same. 3 months payslip, 3 months bank statement. And of course, if you are overseas, your PR card, your working pass, that one you must give. And if it's a foreign document, let's say you're working in Japan or Middle East, the document is in their native language, Arabic and Japanese, you have to get it translated. You have to get it translated, not by yourself, okay? Not by yourself, by the embassy. And that one you have to pay really a lot of money. They charge you by page one. And then only the bank will accept, okay? Some banks, they will want you to translate, but they accept that your company, the company you're working for, you ask them to translate and stamp the HR stamp. If it's embassy, easy lah. Just stamp the embassy stamp, then it's okay already. So take note, if your document is in foreign language, you have to translate it back. But the process is not complicated at all. It's the same. And we don't even need your EPF because you don't have EPF on foreign country, we got EPF. So don't need bank statement, payslip, that's it. And of course, your work pass, your citizen pass, work pass, or work permit, they must show your company name there. Okay? Most of the work permits that I see, they will show your company name. So your company name on the work permit must tally with the bank statement and also payslip. That's all. Duration for approval is also just like a Malaysian, 3 to 5 working days upon receiving full documents. No KIB, full documents, 3 to 5 working days, you're done. Some I got, it's like morning submit, evening approve. Also got, okay? So don't have to worry so much. It's very simple. The process is the same as all Malaysians. You are still a Malaysian wherever you're working, okay? And you have the rights as a Malaysian wherever you're working, wherever parts of the world you're working. I hope that answers your question. And this, you have further more questions. You have anyone who have further questions, kindly leave on the comments down below. YouTube comments down below. It will help the algorithm to actually find more people and get more views. Okay, so please help out. I will appreciate it that you are actually contacting me through WhatsApp. I think this personal one is okay. Personal is okay, but if it's general questions like this, I will appreciate you to actually leave it in the box, the comment box down below. Okay, and if you are looking to apply loan, you can click the link down below. You can ask one-on-one. You can apply loan, no problem. I can help you to compare the loan packages and give you the best. Okay, this is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.